Welcome, Steam audience, to a timeless tale of magic, courage, and the power of redemption. My name is Ronnie Villanueva, and I'm your storyteller for today. Before we embark on this enchanting journey, let us take a moment to delve into the origins of our story. The timeless tale of Rumpelstiltskin, originating from the brothers Grimm, Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. This story embodies magic, courage, and the power of redemption. Born in Hanau, Germany, the Grimms dedicated their life to preserving German folklore in their seminal work. Children's and household tales, their legacy ensures that the enchanting world of fairy tales continues to captivate and inspire generations. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a poor miller who had a beautiful daughter. One day, the miller found himself in a bind when he met the king. To impress the king, he boasted that his daughter could spin a straw into a gold. The king, intrigued by the miller's claim, demanded that the miller's daughter demonstrate her skills. Frightened and helpless, the miller's daughter found herself locked in a room filled with straw. As the night grew darker and darker, a mysterious little man appeared before her. The little man offered to turn the straw into a gold, but in exchange for a reward. With no other choice, the miller's daughter agreed, setting in motion a fateful chain of events. Night after night, the little man returned to spin the straw into a gold, but his demand for a reward grew more sinister. Eventually, he asked for something precious, the miller's daughter's firstborn child. Terrified by the prospect of losing her child, the miller's daughter sought help. She desperately tried to guess the little man's name, for she knew that knowing his name would break his power over her. Through luck and determination, the miller's daughter discovered the little man's name, Rumpelstiltskin. Armed with this knowledge, she confronted him and thwarted his plans. Enraged by the revelation of his name, Rumpelstiltskin vanished into thin air, leaving the miller's daughter and her child safe. The king, impressed by her bravery, married her, and they lived happily ever after. And so, the tale of Rumpelstiltskin teaches us the importance of honesty and the power of knowledge. It reminds us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds, courage and being resourceful can triumph. And now, dear listeners, as the stars twinkle in the night sky, let us remember the lessons of Rumpelstiltskin and carry them with us on our journeys. For in the darkest time, there is always a glimmer of hope. Thank you.